Kodu is whatever you want it to be.
It just all depends on the person.
You start with what you want the game to be about.
You can create the full game itself.
You're gonna see the art behind video games.
Kids are learning how to program and make video games.
Actually making something instead of just playing it.
I'm loving it.
You know, I definitely think I've seen games that I wouldn't go out and endorse with a parent, because I would say there's really no value for this other than you know where your child's at while they're playing the game. But in this instance, they're doing something they're having fun with, and it has an educational component that challenges them, which is kind of always a nice way with teenagers to kind of trick them into learning a little bit.
Kodu is not a game, but it seems that way to the kids.
It's different than your average game.
You're not just doing what other people have set up for you. Instead, you're actually getting to put your own self in it.
It's really basic computer programming, but I think it's more fun for them than it is actual work.
We just started with a blank world.
The goal is to make it unique, because if your world is just like everyone else's, then there's no point in playing it.
There's a lot of detail and thought and imagination that has to go into it.
How to structure a game, what different elements they need to think about, user interface.
You can be as sophisticated as you want it to be, which is kind of nice. It meets the level of the user.
You can pretty much do anything. I haven't found anything you can't do.
I just made a jet, and this menu is creating how fast and slow he will go, what he'll be able to do.
You can make it shoot, jump, climb things, it can swim.
Just whatever you would like.
Press start.
This one right here called Survive. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to drive around and survive for 3 minutes. It's pretty hard.
Creating is a lot of fun, but playing other people's games can be fun.
You gain insight, ideas you might never have thought of.
Oh, cool. I might want to try that next time.
I just like to challenge people with my own game.
Seeing how their own ideas can be just as fun as other people's ideas, I think it's empowering.
And they're learning how to work together, and they're talking a common language, which is technology. And as an administrator, it has not added a lot of expense. We haven't had to hire new staff, and it's attracted not just boys, not just girls, but a little bit of everybody. Teaching skills that are going to be used later in life.
Yeah, I did it.
Oh, cool. Now I gotta make another one that's even better.